Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our Tiny Tuesday savings. Okay, so we are going to start by filling in this spot. We need another challenge. So we do this randomly with a D12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is by, oh my gosh, I know I can like picture the name or picture the channel. I'm gonna link it down below. Okay, it's like Depressed Budgeting Jan, I think, or something like that. Anyways, I'll put it in the video and I'll link it down below. But this cute little frog challenge here with these bows, very cute. Okay, so we have 6 challenges here. I'm gonna roll a d6, and that challenge that the dice lands on will get 2 bills. I have $25 today. All of these savings go towards my daughter's sinking funds for next month. So her clothes, her things that she needs for school. Right now I'm trying to save up for her back to school, which is in just a couple months. I feel like that's going to be so expensive for some reason, like buying school supplies and stuff like that. All right, we need a 6 and a 1. Come on now. Okay, there's 6 and 1. Look at that. I didn't even have to cheat. So exciting. All right, I am filming this on Thursday, June 5th, trying to get ahead for next week when I'm going to be gone. So, which I don't really love doing because I feel like I like to talk to you guys about things that are happening in my life, you know, and I feel like when I film, like batch film like this, I can't really do that. All right, so this first challenge is by Angela Marie. It only got $1, so we're just going to fold it over because each of those circles is $2, so we can't fill in anything for that. All right, this next challenge is by me. This is by, this is by me. This was for my 200 followers on YouTube. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are so close to finishing this one. Our next challenge here is by Happy to Save with Hannah. This got a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, and we only needed 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a few extra dollars over there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this challenge. So on Tuesday, I will be in France, officially hanging out with my sister and her family, exploring. She is definitely the planner. I don't know if y'all's family is like this, but I am so type B, and she is definitely type A, which works out well for me because she just planned all these amazing things for us to do while I'm there. So I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make each of these $2. So we have 1 and 2. Put the froggies next to each other. All right, this next one is by Budget with Amanda. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 4, 6. Very close to finishing this one as well. And this one is a collaboration by Weekly Budgets and Vicky Thinks, and we are adding 2 to this one. So 1, 2. So we should have 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we have $1, $2, $3, $4 left. So we're going to do this. We're going to put 2 in here. And finish this one. much do we have? I don't even know. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so $14. So that's our second completed challenge for today. I will link all of these people down below so you can go check out their Ko-fis and get these challenges for yourself if you'd like. All right, and we're going to finish this one too. This only needed $2 more, so we're going to finish that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. And that's our third challenge finished for today. Yay. Isn't it so exciting? If you guys have not tried savings challenges yet, I highly, highly recommend it, especially if you have an ADHD brain that needs that dopamine hit to be motivated to do things. This is an excellent way to do that. It's so motivating to finish these challenges. They're so cute. It's so fun. So these 3 are going into our save or our finished challenges bag. It's only the first week and she is already getting pretty thick, guys. So I'm very excited about that. All right. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all tomorrow for our scratch and save binder, which goes towards debt. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.